हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ गैजेट्स। ये एक ऐसी दुनिया है जो कभी रुकने का नाम लेती नहीं है। द ब्रांड्स आर वर्किंग राउंड द क्लॉक गिविंग अस न्यू हार्डवेयर, न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर all the time. This is Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji. I am your host, your friend Gaurav Chaudhary aka Technical Guruji. जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं इस एपिसोड में, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Now guys, as I told you, this world of gadgets, gets new each day. हर रोज we get multiple new updates. So let's scan them all and see what have been the news for this week.
Nothing, the smartphone brand, has introduced a new glyph composer in light of its new upcoming Phone 2. It can be used to create custom glyph motivated ringtones for the Phone 2 and their older Phone 1. To launch the same, they partnered with Grammy nominated artist Swedish House Mafia, who have created an exclusive GIF composition and a glyph sound pack. Glyph ringtones are a light and sound show thanks to the customizable lights on the back of the Nothing Phone series, and wait for the Nothing Phone feature to see what we create with it. Waves Audio has made its key detector plugin available for download. It is an AI-powered plugin that helps detect the key that any sample, song or mix is in. It's going to be a big help for musicians. Actually, it will be of greater help to non and budding musicians. Proper ear-trained musicians तो सुन के ही की पकड़ लेते हैं. Talking of upcoming musicians, German microphone and recording giant Neumann has added season number 2 to their Neumann Home Studio Academy on YouTube. Now these sessions are free to watch on Neumann's official YouTube channel and provide great insights into the world of mixing, mastering and everything audio to budding musicians and audio engineers in the media industry. Telegram is speculated to get a stories like feature in early July. Their CEO, Pavel Durov, posted the same, saying that Telegram has listened to its users and is bringing the even though common yet much requested feature to the platform. But they will do the feature in their own Telegram way, with major focus on privacy, a compact UI, dual camera support and many such features to be expected.
So guys, let's start with our big story of the week, fake reviews. पिछले कुछ सालों से, of late, we have been shopping online. And whenever you shop online, whenever you go to your favorite platform, scanning or searching for a new product, you rely on the ratings and reviews which you see in front of you. Most cases में we assume that these reviews are by some actual users, some actual buyers of the product, so that we get an idea कि ये product कितना अच्छा है, what's the rating, what's the review. But अभी हो रहा है एक बहुत ही बड़े scale पे this complete kind of web of fake reviews all around us. And normally this used to be the case in the e-shopping platforms as well, wherein there were multiple bots writing all these reviews. But as we are growing, with technology, mostly brands have been able to cater, kind of removing all these reviews. But abhi, the problem is all done by us. What happens is, if you order a product, and especially this is happening in the world of tech, if you order any tech product or an accessory which is let's say worth 500 rupees, or a charger which is worth 1000 rupees, or maybe a smartwatch which is worth 2000 rupees, normally in the package you would receive a small note from the brand, and the note would ask you to go again on that same platform, go again on that same product page, and wahan pe they want you to write a review, in particular a positive review about that product. और अगर आप ऐसा करते हैं तो you might get a cashback or something, a small incentive of let's say 50 rupees or 20 rupees. Now all these brands, they clearly understand that the cost of publishing a review by let's say maybe a bot is much higher at times, and it would not be as humanly as you can do the job. So that's the reason that they are targeting us consumers, and in a way kind of putting us in the queue to write these reviews on these platforms. अब यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम बहुत बड़े स्केल पे फैल चुकी है। उसका रीजन ये है, अगर आपने वो काम किया, अगर मैंने भी वो काम कर दिया, और अगर हम सभी ने इस 50 रुपए के इंसेंटिव के लिए फेक रिव्यूज लिख दिए. What happens when we actually want to buy a product for ourselves? You were an actual consumer, you were a verified buyer of that product. तो जब आप वो रिव्यू लिख भी रहे हो, it clearly shows that this review is being written by someone who has actually purchased this product. और फिर हमें पता नहीं है कि हम किस पे ट्रस्ट करें या किस पे ना करें. Ministry of Consumer Affairs is actually kind of actively scanning this entire situation, and they might come up with a new law very soon, or maybe put in some pressure on these e-commerce giants just to make sure that this problem goes away. Even kind of these big giants, the places where we shop online, they are putting in all the power of AI just to make sure कि वो जो रिव्यू है वो फेक है या नहीं है. बट बिकॉज द वे इट इज डन, इट इज वेरी हार्ड टू इनफैक्ट इवन कट डाउन ऑन काइंड ऑफ दीज रिव्यूज, एंड जस्ट टू बी श्योर कि वो जो रिव्यू लिखा है वो क्या किसी इंसेंटिव की वजह से लिखा है या नॉर्मली ही किसी ने जेन्युइनली अपना फीडबैक दिया है. एंड समटाइम्स ब्रांड्स ऑल्सो टारगेट द कॉम्पिटिशन. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट काइंड ऑफ टू ब्रांड्स इन द सेम डोमेन. हो सकता है जस्ट विद एन इंसेंटिव ऑफ 50 रुपीज कूपन एक ब्रांड टारगेट कर सकता है फॉर समवन टू राइट अ नेगेटिव रिव्यू अबाउट द कंपटीशन, or maybe writing a review wherein the comparison is being made and highlight ही हो जाता है कि this product is much better. So this problem right now is all around us. It is a very important matter of concern, and my idea for all of you would be, don't just rely on the ratings. केवल आप उन पे भरोसा मत करो, केवल उसी फेस वैल्यू पे कि आपको सामने क्या देखने को मिल रहा है. डोंट मेक योर डिसीजंस बिकॉज यू नेवर नो, आप जिस रिव्यू को पढ़ के अपना सामान ले रहे हो क्या पता वो सही नहीं हो. Now guys, moving ahead from the scary story of these fake reviews going on, let's have some fun. और fun कुछ ऐसा है because the way we use all these digital devices around us right now, we must remember that they all started as analog at some given point of time, and वहाँ से evolve होते होते आज हम उन्हें use कर पा रहे हैं. If you look at your keyboard, you all would remember the QWERTY keypad. शायद हमारी लास्ट मेमोरी से वी हैव सीन कीबोर्ड्स लाइक द वे दैट दे आर राइट नाउ. इट्स ऑल QWERT, POIUY, ASDFG, SEMGLNLKJ, like you know the sequence. But did you know that it was not like this in the beginning? पहले जब हमारे पास में टाइपराइटर्स हुआ करते थे, बिकॉज दे वर मैकेनिकल डिवाइसेस रनिंग ऑन काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स, वहां पे बिकॉज ऑफ फास्ट टाइपिंग, इफ यू टू टाइप वेरी फास्ट, नॉर्मली these arms would be stuck in between, और अल्फाबेट्स को एक्चुअल में दूर दूर रखना पड़ता था जो शायद एक सीक्वेंस में होते होंगे कभी, बट जस्ट टू मेक श्योर दैट द टाइपराइटर फंक्शंस ऑल राइट. एंड वहां से देन विद मल्टीपल इवोल्यूशंस वी हैव फाइनली अराइव्ड एट द QWERTY कीपैड दैट वी यूज राइट नाउ. एंड फॉर अ फैक्ट, इफ यू लुक एट एनी सिंगल लाइन ऑफ दैट कीबोर्ड, typewriter is the longest word that you can write using only one row of keys on this keyboard. The first row, QWERT, POIUY. इसको use करके बनता है typewriter, which is the longest word. And speaking of longest word, I would not even attempt this, but right in front of you is the longest word. Can you pronounce it? If you can, go ahead, drop in all your entries जो आपने वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड किए हैं at my address tg@ndtv.com. Pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanosis. Pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanosis. Pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanocal. Guys, I would take forever. I'll see you after the break, लेकिन आप अपनी एंट्री जरूर करना at tg@ndtv.com. I'll try applying myself as well. Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite show of gadgets 360 with technical Guruji, and I am expert on technology और मेरा काम है कि मैं आपसे gadgets की बात करूं. And especially if we talk about all these gadgets, there are multiple myths associated along, and in this section I'm gonna bust couple of myths तो शायद अभी तक आपने भी सच मान के रखी होंगी. Let's see what are those. Control Shift N. Guys, we all have done this. We all have done this early in the morning, late in the nights, at various times for various reasons. We have been to the incognito side of our browser. और हमें ऐसा लगता है जब भी हम प्राइवेट मोड या इंकॉग्निटो मोड में होते हैं, वी आर काइंड ऑफ हिडन फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड ऑफ इंटरनेट, वी आर बिहाइंड सम इनविजिबल वॉल, और वहां से वी आर ब्राउजिंग द इंटरनेट. Where the incognito mode helps is that in your local device, your phone or your computer, वहाँ पे it won't store a track of कि आपने कौन सी वेबसाइट पे जाके क्या विजिट किया है, but your internet service provider or the website will definitely have a clear idea of what you're doing. So if you're on the internet, you are not hidden using this basic incognito mode. Now guys, before you consider me as someone who's working at some high-end organization and is processing lots of data, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high-end powerful laptops open right in front of me. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. I'm here for you because I'm gonna tell you which one is good for you. Considering we have the basic MacBook Air with the M1 chip, then on the other side we have the highest end possible 16 inches MacBook Pro with M2 Max chip. So because we have so many options and because you all have queries कि आपके लिए एक सही लैपटॉप कौन सा है, if you're a student, if you're a professional, आपका बजट अगर लिमिटेड है तो आपको इनमें से कौन सा लैपटॉप लेना चाहिए, I'm gonna tell you कि आपके लिए कौन सा वाला लैपटॉप सबसे सही होगा. And guys, I must tell you, this is right now the best time to buy a new laptop. It's time to go back to school, to go back to college, to back to university, and you have some amazing surprises as well. So first let's see कि कौन सा लैपटॉप किसके लिए सही है.
This 13-inch MacBook Air powered with the M1 chip is Apple's most affordable laptop. It is fairly priced, easy to carry around, and still manages to be power-packed and super efficient. With the starting price of rupees 99900, this is a perfect deal for students. Oh, and talking about students, Apple has special discounted prices for those still in school. So this already affordable Apple laptop can be purchased by students at an even cheaper cost of rupees 89,900. Crazy, right? The new 13.6-inch MacBook Air comes stacked with the M2 chip. It is similar in price and size to the older 13-inch MacBook Air, but gives double the power. So if you're looking for increased boost for maybe coding work or to use some heavier files, this is a great option. And you can get it for 1,14,900 rupees or use discounts for 1,04,900 rupees. The most recently launched 15-inch MacBook Air very quickly built itself. Despite having a larger 15-inch screen, the laptop manages to remain sleek and lightweight. And we cannot forget the powerful M2 chip that is powering the laptop. It additionally comes with increased battery life of up to 18 hours and has a starting cost of rupees 1,34,900, which drops down to 1,24,900 if you apply the student discount. Moving to the Pro series, the 13-inch MacBook Pro is the last laptop in Apple's lineup that includes the touch bar on the top of the keyboard. It also comes with fans for cooling, which the Air series, ironically, is missing. Priced at a starting cost of rupees 1,29,900 and 1,19,900 with the student discount, this is Apple's cheapest Pro laptop. Apple's most powerful laptop, yes, this is the 16-inch MacBook Pro that comes with the M2 Pro and M2 Max chips. Targeted towards pros, this is a reliable companion for those who need to work on the go. If the 16-inch form factor is a bit too much for you, maybe the 14-inch MacBook Pro would be the right choice for you. It packs everything the 16-inch version does, but with a smaller display and a smaller battery capacity. Prices start from 1,99,900, and with the student discount, you can get the same for 1,84,900.
Right now, if you're buying any Mac, any MacBook, Mac Mini or iMac, you're gonna get a free Apple AirPods 3rd generation. So it's discount in terms of education pricing and plus an additional freebie in terms of an AirPods. And by the way, if you happen to buy any new iPad, for the select models, you're gonna get a new Apple Pencil 2nd generation. So आप computing चाहे इस पे करें, चाहे उस पे करें, I think this is the time now. Guys, you know the best part about this gadget world? ये इतना ज़्यादा fascinating है कि sometimes we lose the count of time. वो पता ही नहीं चलता कि time कैसे निकल गया है. इस एपिसोड में basically now we are at the spot जहाँ पे मैं आपसे बात करता हूँ. I give answers to all your questions जो आप पूछते हैं tg@ndtv.com पे. Let's see what we have this week. Now, although I'm not proud of my Instagram, but I mean, thank you that you loved the pictures. And the camera, it's nothing certain. Sometimes it's my iPhone, sometimes it's my Samsung, sometimes it's a professional Sony camera. Editing is a very kind of basic thing. Maybe a little bit of Snapchat or Lightroom. Filters मैं ऐसा कुछ use नहीं करता हूँ. And I would say the best camera is the one that you have in the pocket at the time of the moment. उस टाइम पे फिर वो चाहे DSLR हो चाहे कुछ भी हो, फोटो कैसा भी आया हो, if it is a moment worth capturing, that's it. Guys, I personally enjoy cars. I love cars, and my favorite while growing up was the Nissan Skyline, the iconic Nissan Skyline, and the one which I would really want to see coming back as an electric version would be Hindustan Motors Ambassador. I mean, क्या amazing car है. Just imagine yourself an ambassador running on electricity. मजा आ जाएगा.
हेलो टेक्निकल गुरुजी, मेरे पास नथिंग फ़ोन 1 है और मैं नथिंग फ़ोन 2 लेने की सोच रहा हूँ. तो क्या आप मुझे इसके स्पेसिफिकेशन के बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं? और हाँ, ये भी बताइएगा कि मुझे वो लेना चाहिए या नहीं.
Oh my God. See, this is the thing about gadgets. मार्केट में आया नहीं है अभी तक. Right now we don't have the Nothing Phone 2 in the market, but still you're going to buy that. Or maybe you are thinking to upgrade. We have so many new things coming on a daily basis, and this is what happens जब आपके पास में इतना सारे gadgets का पूरा प्यार होता है ना. You want to dive deep in the world of gadgets. See, nothing के लिए मैं इतना बोल सकता हूँ. Of course I've seen the phone. Of course I know everything about the phone. But right now, if you are already using your Nothing Phone 1, I think you should stick with the phone, because it's not advisable to upgrade phone on a kind of yearly basis. आप उसको और चलाओ. Nothing's definitely gonna give you some good softwares. Phone 2 के features हो सकता है आपको phone 1 में मिल जाएंगे. And then when you feel like maybe the next year it's time to upgrade, तब आप शायद upgrade करेंगे, तो maybe you'll save on some money as well.
Hi टेक्निकल गुरुजी, मैंने आपका लास्ट वीक का शो देखा था. जो मुझे मैकबुक एयर ख़रीदना है, तो मैं एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हूँ, तो मुझे ये डाउट है कि मैकबुक एयर 13 और मैकबुक एयर 15 में जो 20,000 का डिफरेंस है, क्या वो जस्टिफाइड है और मुझे कौन सा लेना चाहिए?
You know the reason Apple launched the new MacBook Air 15? The reason was that people wanted a laptop with a bigger screen, but like sleek on profile. And sometimes you can't just gauge performance in terms of a bigger screen size or kind of like that. Both the machines, they are really good. It all depends on your personal preference. If you are happy with the 13 inches size, it's fine. I mean, continue with that, or maybe you can buy that. But अगर आपको चाहिए एक बड़ा screen and you want to avoid the bulk that comes with a pro machine, that's the answer for MacBook Air 15 inches. And I mean, it all depends. Pricing, yeah, multiple things going on, but then it's you to decide if you want a smaller screen and a more compact portable thing. Go with the 13 inches laptop. If you want a bigger screen, more power, go with the Pro. But if you want the bigger screen, and again, if you want the portability as well, that's where the MacBook Air 15 inches fits in. So guys, this brings us to the end of the episode. I mean, आज के episode में what all have we covered? We busted some myths. हमने fun facts की बात कर ली. And by the way, आपको शायद वो word तो अब तक पूरा याद हो गया होगा. And you all are now aware of the problem about fake reviews. In fact, तो आपको ऐसे ही काफी exciting चीजें मिलने वाली हैं in the upcoming episodes of your favorite gadget show, Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji. That's all for this week. I'm going to see you next time. Thank you and goodbye.